I am Lona Kotze. I am currently working at the Northwest University as an administrative officer. The MBA was the next logical step for me in my career moves. I decided on the NWU because I work here. In the past year, I have learned more about myself, not necessarily in the academics, but to grow as a leader, as a mind shift change, my thinking process. It is an eye-opener for the rest of the world, for bigger steps, for thinking out the box, for innovative thoughts, for changing processes and momentum within your workplace. I would recommend it for any student trying to figure out what they want to do with themselves and to learn more about themselves and what you are capable of. This is a great learning experience, and it is possible for anyone. I am a mother of two, married, and I juggle everything. You learn how to keep all the balls in the air.